There are 5 signs that your liver may be affecting your hormone replacement therapy. Hi, my name is Phil. I'm with Fern brand. All right, here they are. Ready? Number 1, you may be feeling worse or unchanged on hormone therapy. You may just not even be feeling like you would hope to feel from hormone replacement therapy. Number 2, breast tenderness, bloating, and heavy periods. Number 3, acne, irritability, or loss of hair. Number 4, weight gain around the belly and hips. And number 5, poor sleep, low libido, or fatigue despite treatment. All right, so a lot of people reach out to us asking about gut health because we are a gut health company. That said, we also talk to a lot of people about hormone health, and we work with a lot of doctors and medical specialists on hormone health. So when people reach out to us on hormone health, we essentially start with vitamins and minerals, because if those levels aren't in the right spot, they can affect how you feel. They literally can affect your mood, energy, all of that, right? Right. Number 2, between the ages of 40 and 50, a person's cellular health drops between 30 and 50%. Truth, if you're doing hormone replacement therapy and your cellular health is dropping off dramatically, you're not going to get the bang for your buck from your hormone replacement therapy, and you're always going to feel like you're dragging ass. That's just how it's going to be. For that, we have a product called Build that is specific to cellular health, basically. We're trying to hit everything from glutathione, ATP, NAD+, killer at NAD+, by the way, and mitochondrial function and reducing oxidative stress, all the way just to helping increase just strength. So mTOR activation and stuff like that. Killer product, it helps with that side. But liver function is one that people commonly miss. They don't understand that the liver is also critical for hormone health. So there are 5 reasons you want to have optimal liver health for your hormones. And here they are. Ready? 1, it keeps your hormone levels balanced and prevents excess buildup. Number 2, it'll clear out extra hormones so they don't cause symptoms like fatigue, irritability, or low libido. Number 3, it'll help convert inactive thyroid hormone, T4, into active form, T3, that your body can use, meaning it makes your hormones usable. Number 4, it makes your hormones active, usable, and effective. And number 5, it prevents estrogen dominance, which can cause mood swings, weight gain, bloating, and poor HRT results. So that is why you want a healthy liver. Once again, you want to combine vitamins and mineral levels with, I would suggest, your cellular health. By the way, this has been exploding lately in popularity. That's why NAD+ products are everywhere. I just would strongly suggest you need to hit all of the cellular health, not pieces of it. I think you need to do it all. That's why we sell our Build product. And then liver function, right? The liver is critical for making hormones work best. So here are the 5 reasons that we are going to strongly suggest liver complex for that, should you want to consider working on your liver health as part of your way to improve how well hormone replacement therapy is working for you. Ready? Here's what liver complex will do for you. 1, it contains 4 clinically supported liver health ingredients at effective doses. It's doing all 3 phases of the detox process, which is super effective. Number 2, it helps your body clear out excess hormones and prevent hormone recycling. Number 3, it supports hormone activation so that your hormones actually work. Number 4, supports healthy estrogen metabolism and helps maintain hormone balance. And number 5, it'll help support the body's ability to respond effectively to hormone therapy. That's why we like liver complex, because it's a very clinically proven product, 4 clinically proven ingredients to help the liver function. When the liver's functioning in a good way, it helps your hormone health. It's an indirect but very direct way of helping with hormone health, okay? So we didn't just stop there, because people don't just ask us for simple things. So liver complex doesn't just help with those things. It's helping, a lot of people reach out about their elevated liver enzymes. They're worried about fatty liver issues. So with liver complex, check, check. They worry about cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Check and check. A lot of people they're like, I need to do these things and I'm struggling with weight and stuff like that. So I don't know if you knew this or not, but the liver 100% affects your insulin sensitivity. It is like a very key player in insulin sensitivity. The Altalix in the liver complex product has been shown to help with liver or insulin sensitivity at up to about 43.1% over 6 months. It helps with methylation for all of you people that are MTHFR, that have MTHFR and that are struggling with methylation. It helps with clearance of histamine issues. It's a great product. Liver Complex was formulated to work, super effective, clinically backed. It is what we suggest a person consider, along with vitamins, minerals. I would suggest build for your cellular health, but whatever you're doing for your cellular health, that's kind of the three-pronged process to making sure that you are getting the most from your HRT. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, always, you can just drop us a line. Appreciate it. Bye.